Hi guys! This is Teacher Jessa and welcome back to my YouTube channel! So for today's video guys, I have a lot of things to share. At ayun, sobrang na-miss ko mag-vlog at sobrang na-miss ko kayo dahil siguro mga 2 months na rin ako hindi nakapag-vlog. So sobrang busy ng sked and ayan, naglipat pa kami. So by the way guys, I'm already here na in Quezon. So as you can see in my background, ganito pa lang kasi wala pa rin akong setup for my vlog. So siguro soon magkakaroon na ako ng setup dito sa bahay namin. Yan. So I already went back to our province dahil for some reasons at ito na nga yung sasabihin ko sa inyo guys. Okay? Hello teacher sa mga laging sumusubaybay sa vlogs ko. Ayan, so na-miss ko talaga itong pagbablog. So, di ba guys, as you can see, yung pinaka-last update ko sa mga job vlogs ba yung tawag doon? Sa mga vlogs ko about sa work and online teaching, basta it's all about work. As you can see, ang tagal na, di ba? So, that was I think April yon. April. So, April, May, June, July. Oh my God, pa 3 months na pala akong hindi nakakapag-vlog. At ang mga na-upload ko lang is yung mga dati-dati ko pang vlog. I mean, yung dati ko pang videos na tinatry ko lang i-edit. Kasi guys, I really don't have setup nga. But now, I need to share something na I think makakatulong sa inyo to, to get or to find a job. Going back to the call center interview that I had before. So guys, 'di ba? I applied as a part-time. Right now guys, I'm already a full-time technical support representative. So how did I do that? Pero kasi guys, so ito parang I came to the point na wala na akong sapat na pera to pay all my bills. So sabi ko, hindi ko na kayang maghintay ng right time to get into public school. Pero, since biglang nag-hiring dito sa company namin, ayun, nag-full-time na ako. Guys, ito nga pala. So, yun sa DepEd ko, the results was great because I passed into division. So, that's for DO7. So, division of I don't want to mention it na. Basta nakapasa ako dun sa 2 division at dun sa isang division ng DepEd, hindi ko na siya tinapos. Kasi nga, umuwi na ako dito sa province. And I already decided na dito na talaga ako. So, ayun yun. Yun yung mga naging journey ko for the past month. Kasi, I realized na napakahirap ng buhay doon sa Manila, di ba? Kasi mag-isa ka lang, tumatakbo yung bills mo, bayarin mo sa bahay, kuryente, tubig, na wala ka namang pera. So, paano, di ba? So, I'm just being practical, di ba? So, ayun na nga, naging practical nga ako. And then, that's why I came here. So, as you can see in the picture, ayan, naghakot na nga ako, di ba? Papunta dito sa amin, sa Quezon. So, I came here, and I decided to came here when I already got a full-time job in the previous part-time job ko. Yun, yung company na yun. So, same company lang din. And I'm really happy kasi madami akong natulungan. Diba? Guys, kayo yan, diba? So, sorry guys nga pala dun sa mga iba na text ng late. I think hindi na sila naka-reply. So, ang daming nagpa-refer sa akin regarding my part-time job na ngayon ay full-time job ko na. And I already have 4 referrals there na nakapasok. Ayan, so congratulations to all of you. At one of them is one of my viewers lang. At naging close naman kami kahit sa chat lang kami nagkakausap. Ayan, so hello, shoutout nga pala kay July. Ayan. Alam niyo guys, sobrang dami nagpi-PM sa akin regarding my part-time job. Okay? So actually, it's not really a part-time job na dahil full-time job na ako dito. I received a lot of message on my Facebook page. Kaya naman, guys, sometimes hindi ko na kayo nare-replyan, di ba? So, sobrang late ko na mag-reply dahil nga sa busy rin ako. Guys, kung gusto nyo na mag-apply din, you are welcome here because we are still hiring. But, please don't ask in a comment section kung ano yung company ko because I will not going to disclose it for the company's privacy. So if you wanted to apply, just go to my Facebook page, message or PM me there. I can give you the link where you're going to register and how to apply in our company. So, ayun. Ano pa ba? May nakakalimutan pa ba ako?
A few moments later.
Ayun nga pala guys. So, I just want to say thank you sa mga nag-comment or nagko-comment pa rin up until now sa mga online teaching vlogs ko. Ayan. But right now guys, if you're going to ask me what happened to my online teaching career. So guys, I stopped it for now because I already have a full-time job. Ayun, I'm happy naman here kasi kumbaga, ang sarap maging teacher, di ba? Ang sarap maging online teacher. Pero mas madali naman yung trabaho namin dito. Like, nakaupo ka lang, you don't talk anymore. You don't talk anymore talaga. Because my job is just on chat, like that. So, nag-chat lang kami without a call. And yun yung pinagpapasalamat ko kasi all my experience in a call center company is in voice account. So, gamit na gamit talaga yung bibig namin. But now, ayan, so sobrang nakakatuwa kasi I'm already in a non-voice account. Okay, if you wanted to know more about our company, you can just send me a message on my Facebook page. Ayan. And yeah, ang dami nagpapa-refer sa akin. So I think I already have 40 plus referrals. And now guys, I'm going to reveal something new na one of our achievements. Pero dun ko na siya ilalagay sa part 2. And I'm going to discuss what are the things that you need to have so that you can be able to apply in our company. Because you know, there are also some requirements that you need to comply on. So see you sa part 2.